Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, today we are talking about blogging. Oh, I love blogging. Why I love blogging is that once you have a blog, guys, you keep earning from it for years to come. As long as you continue posting quality content, as long as you continue growing it, you'll continue earning from it for the longest time possible. Also, starting a blog is like giving birth. Yes, you start with it when it is just new, meaning like a tiny baby, tiny little baby that you have to take care of and feed them correctly, and then they grow up to be beautiful and responsible. I don't know what members of the society. It is like giving birth to a child, in short. And then also blogging is your own business, and like writing for clients, I consider it as my little investment. So it is mine. When I am growing it, I feel happy because I am growing my own business that I can maybe sell in future or continue earning from even as I grow older. So guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I am a content creator, content freelance writer. That is the correct word. I've been a freelance writer for the last 6 years. This is what I do for a living. I don't have any other job. And I am here to point you to the right direction if you are a newbie in freelance writing, or if you want to do any type of online work. I'm here to point you to the right direction. If this is your kind of content, please consider subscribing to this channel. Click the red button and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. So now let's get into the video. In our last video, we talked about one of the ways of earning money through blogging, which is affiliate marketing. We specifically tackled on Amazon affiliate marketing, and I even showed you my earnings for Amazon for the last 3 months. If you haven't watched that video, it will appear up here, of course. Go watch it. So I showed you my earnings for the last 3 months. I hope you are inspired to start your own blog, to start your own website. So today I'm going to show you the other way of earning from blogging. Of course, there are so many ways. You can also sell your own products. You can also sell your products. You can sell other people's products, which is like Amazon affiliate marketing. And then also you can also earn through ads. So that is what we are going to talk about today. And I'm also going to show you, as usual, my earnings. I'm putting my life on the line for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So I'm going to show you my earnings from ads for the last 3 months. But first, let me take you through some of the ad companies that you can sign up with as a blogger. The first one is media.net. We have Monumetric. We have AdThrive. We have Mediavine. Oh God, Mediavine is my dream company, guys. It's my dream ad company. Guys, if I get a chance to enter into this company, I'm gonna be rich. So I'm just praying and hoping, and of course working towards entering Mediavine by the end of this year with the same blog, the one for bathrooms. Yeah, I think I mentioned that I have currently have two blogs, two websites. The one for babies, the one for pregnancy and babies, or motherhood or parenting, if you like to call it that way. I also have the ones for home improvement, specifically bathrooms. Like I say, the home is a very big area. You can decide to write about bathrooms. You can decide to write about the patio, the outside of the bathroom, like where I'm seated right now. You can also write about the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen. Like, there is content everywhere. You can start a blog about anything. If you are passionate about anything, and you love writing, put it out there. Let's share your passion with other people and also get to earn from it. Isn't that great? Yes. So my dream right now, what I'm working towards, is to enter into Mediavine. So number 5 is Ezoic, which I am currently on. This is the network that I'm currently working with on my site, Ezoic. Then we have our good old Google AdSense. Then we have Infolinks, and we have Outbrain as the last one. So those are some of the ad companies that you can now keep in mind that these ad companies have requirements before you join them. They have requirements. You don't just start a blog today and tomorrow you are joining one of them and start earning. It doesn't happen that way. There are certain things that your site has to meet for you to join a particular company. That is why I'm not yet able to join Mediavine, because my traffic doesn't allow at the moment. So like Ezoic, which I am currently on right now, you need 10,000 sessions per month. Yes. So once you get 10 sessions per month, that is your traffic, you can sign up with Ezoic and start earning from ads. You, on your part, you don't have to do anything. You simply go to Ezoic. Just a minute. You go to ezoic.com, get started, click get started. You'll be directed on how to apply to the network. What they will do is that they will place ads on your website, so that every time a visitor comes to your site, there are those ads that will give, that you will earn when visitor clicks on them. There are those that you will earn when someone simply sees them. So they are the ones who will place those ads at strategic places in your website. And that's all. You will start earning. So that is how you earn from Ezoic. So guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my earnings for the last 3 months from Ezoic. This is just to motivate someone. If you are starting out, if you are thinking of starting out, such videos, I put them out there just to show you that this thing actually works. So I'm going to show you for the last 3 months, because that is what I showed you the last time for affiliate marketing. Yeah, for Amazon. So I'm going to show you for the last 3 months. Just give me a second so that I can open it. So now guys, as you can see, now these are my earnings I'm showing you for February, March, April, because that is what I had shown you with Amazon affiliate marketing. February, March, April, May, of course, I took this when on 5th May. So this is what I had earned. So forget about May. Let us focus on the 3 months. So as you can see, it is always a process and it's always a growth. So I started with $194. This is for Feb. In March, I got $281 from ads. And then in April, I got $228. So now that is what I earned from Ezoic, from ads on my website. Now, if you want to get my total earnings, let's say, for example, the month of April, you saw that in my earnings for affiliate marketing, that is from Amazon, I earned $900 in the month of April, right? Yeah. So now, if you want to now get my total earnings, you add 900 plus this one, $228. That way you will get my total earnings for that month. So guys, that's it about my Ezoic earnings. Again, I hope I have motivated someone out there, because that is the purpose of this video. With blogging, what I can tell you is that it needs patience and hard work. Don't start a blog today and expect to be earning next month. No, it doesn't work like that. Like the one that I'm talking about, the one for the bathrooms, I have had it for the last, since 2020, you see, since 2020, and it's giving me that much. So if you want to know my total earnings, you will add for the ads and for Amazon. That is what I'm earning per month with this blog. So guys, I hope I have encouraged you. If you have any questions about blogging, please consider dropping me a comment down below. If you found this video valuable, please give me a thumbs up. If this is the kind of content that you're looking for on YouTube, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for being here, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye.